Hi, this is Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging Magazine at the Electronic Circuit Asia 2025. And I'm here with Mr. Pornpisit from Circuit Industries. So, welcome, sir.
Thank you.
First easy question, tell us about Circuit Industries.
Well, Circuit Industry is a local Thai PCB manufacturer. We have been established in 1990, so now we are running on our 35th years of operations now. We are a small PCB company, so majority of our products are high mix, low volume stuff. We can produce like from single side, double side, and multi-layers up to 10 layers. So that's roughly our company profile for your reference.
Okay, yeah, so you're fitting into sort of people who do NPI, people who do prototypes,
Yeah.
and also people who do small volume production runs.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah, so you have a lot of different challenges than the big guys. You have to worry about changeover and setup time and all of these things.
Exactly.
So, with 35 years, you must have been one of the first setting up here?
Well, I think we are a little bit behind KCE for maybe 1 or 2 years. Yeah,
But
roughly.
definitely close.
Yeah.
And you've stuck to the same model of your business for this time?
Yeah, still. I think it's a kind of a key advantage that we have over with the current economy developing. So the designs, the circuit designers are developing new products all the time, which is not going mass volume in the near future. So that's why we still capable of attracting those type of orders. Well, yeah, so that's our strategies from the start until now.
No, I mean, it's a good plan because, as you say, it is a key part of anyone's business. You know, even if it's a large company moving in here, you know, they have to start small with what they're doing.
Yeah.
And the bigger companies are not as, let's say, as flexible and as responsive as somebody like yourself with all your experience being in this type of work. Yeah. And are you seeing business growing in Thailand?
Yeah, it's been slow for a few years. Like after COVID, the first year was really good, but after that it slowed down quite a lot. But this year we see a progress towards a better volumes that coming in from both local customers and also the overseas production plants that's coming in. So we see a good signs of improvements in the volumes for this year and probably, hopefully next year also.
So you're doing quite a lot of volume from outside of Thailand?
I would say most of our products are delivered in Thailand, but majority of our customers are Japanese nationalities and the rest are Thai locals. So we both seeing the global trend from our Japanese customers and also the local trends from our locals.
And your quality must be very good if you're supplying Japanese companies because they are very demanding.
Yeah, it's quite demanding, but I think we are used to it. So
yeah, it's good when you have those partnerships.
yeah,
No, we've always said, you know, if you can take care of the market in Japan, then you're able to supply anywhere in the world.
yeah, I think so. So. Yeah.
And how about in terms of people in your organization? Is it fairly stable or are you still growing?
Yeah, the people in our organization are pretty stable because our staff, most of our key staff, they have like over 15 years experience with us. They always stay here, fight through like any kind of obstructions that we face during all these years. So yeah, very grateful for them. They're working and put all their effort into the company works. So we are not seeing a lot of turnovers like after all the PCB manufacturers coming in to Thailand. So currently we are still fine.
No, that's exactly what I was wondering because, you know, the key portion of manufacturing a circuit board sometimes isn't the equipment or the technology.
True.
It's the people and the knowledge and the experience and the skill level.
True. That's so true.
Yeah, and if you can have people that have been with you sort of 15 years and plus, and they probably progress through the company, then yeah, you know, it's a very strong business asset.
Yeah. That's why we are trying to make everybody happy and make them feel at home, try to make it the best possible way for our staff.
Yep, and that's definitely the best way to structure your business, sir. So thank you for coming in and sharing with us
Right,
today.
thank you. Very nice to meet you.
And you. That's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, signing off.